Here we are, December 30th, 2011. Daddy just gave Gabriella her first little tight golf set. Here, Gabriella, let's put it on the tee. Can you hit it? Hit the ball. Maybe she wants to be a baseball player. Gabriella, Mommy, show her how to do it. Here, Gabriella, go. Oh! Whoa! She looks like a hockey player. Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Hey, good job. Here, put it on the tee for her to hit.
Put it here. Now you can hit with this one.
Now you can hit.
Go.
I guess she's not even 14 months, so I'll give her a little bit of a break. There's the ball. Get the ball.
Go, Gabriella, go. Get to that ball from my leg. Go, good job. Woo! Bring it back.
Here, put the ball on the tee. Gabrielle, put the ball on the tee. Put the ball here. Put the ball here. Here. There you go. Hit it. We'll have to do a little bit of teaching, but not so bad for the first time.